Good morning, good morning, good morning, good day, good day, good day. In the next one, I'm a Bogo, aka Ubudua SBC 5. You know, today I'm gonna be in two channels on this episode. Even in this episode today, I'm gonna be on these two channels, LE, which is Limpopo Entertainment, and SBC 5. So, guys, there's a collaborative between me and that channel, so do not be scared at all. So, what's gonna happen today? I'm gonna have a discussion about the Chimas 7, and also I'm gonna give gratitude and thanks to all the bloggers and the YouTubers who are there, or those online TVs which are there in Trendo. I'm like, guys, big up.
Affordable data plans. Pay less for more. 10 gig for a day plus 10 gig for a night. 129 rand. 30 gig for a day plus 30 gig for a night. 259 rand. Get this deal now and start saving. No contracts, no debit orders, no documents required. WhatsApp 083-453-0972 or call us 087-822-1271 or visit our website www.affordabletech.co.
It was a big Thursday. I think the nominee awards were on a Thursday before the awards, which were on Sunday. Were on Sunday or Monday?
In News Cafe, ne?
Yeah, they were News Cafe, Tawani Mall, and then the awards were on Sunday or Monday. Monday, you pick and came. What's cafe?
20th.
28 December. That's in Tuni. That's the Marshall Cafe. I was not able to go there due to the tickets and the whole COVID thing. Me, I didn't want to be part of it. Mask and swag. Swag and mask don't go hand in hand. So my swag can just stay at home. I'll stay at home too about my swag. So going back to the Chimas, they were hosted by G Voice. And who's this? Kodani Mpilo was part of the red carpet. It was so lovely, guys. I saw the red carpet. I saw the whole awards on the net.
It was so mwah.
Well, it was so mwah. Listen to Element. So, the awards, I think they were like almost 13, more than 13 awards. And some of the awards are here, ne? So I'm just gonna read them out to you. And if you don't like them at this time, it goes to that new boo kind of year. So I wanna hear from you. Okay, cool. Let's start. Award your draw, Madima, the best Tshivenda newcomer of the year. Well, that's Bantu. I feel like it deserved it.
Ras what?
That's Bantu.
Is it Bantu or
Batu? I think because I did Batu. The Batu. Batu is in Tshivenda.
Leander.
Yes, imagine no.
Araku deserve him.
Yeah, he deserved it. I hope he's gonna prove us worthy of the watch.
On nominate ka category ngan.
I think it was all of them.
That's just you.
I think it was all of them. Ne? So passing over the winner, best Tshivenda reggae. Yeah, of the year. You've won album of the year for Ja Man Madingu.
Who's that?
Hey, dog, I do not know. But I'm sure Uda Pasi and Jama Madingu Pasi German Chiganja or yeah. I think them do a German Chiganja because when you go to German Chiganja, some of them. But guy also congratulations for that one. What?
We don't know him.
That's the thing. You don't know him, but some people know him.
We don't know him.
But me, I know him.
Most of people, they don't know him.
It doesn't have to come to that. Whatever it is, he won the award. Guy, congratulations.
Mafungo guy. That's the problem.
Passing on before we get to too much, because it's going to take us to too much people here. And the best Tshivenda Afro Soul album of the year goes to Baba T. Do you know him?
The Afro what?
The Afro Soul album of the year.
Afro Soul. I don't know the music you never go imba, so
I think the music I know Mariana Nyana.
No, una urenda ngavkati. So I don't know uri category on it or
but whatever it is, one thing you must know, guys, our opinion does not matter at all. But we're doing the chime is it? And another thing, 40. Bawo jiwa ngantana album yotomo last year June Oscarin 2019 June until 2020 June. If you did not apply or you didn't apply, meaning do not be like, oh, I should have won the award. But going on, if you're not the best Tshivenda traditional album of the year, Kachimangadzo ne Mutumba Sinyegwe. And the best Tshivenda indigenous album of the year. You come a single. Baby 40. We're gonna go then, we're gonna put a picture of them. And also the best hip hop award album.
Yo, what up?
Hi. Hey, happy to be prolific.
Ndizviera nazvezvo mara azvidivei
yo vatu vangoapply ngomzimbo
mara newana uri vatu avangosubmit
you guys please I'm sure I really want to end this awards because I cannot keep on reading this because I don't even know them. And guys, please like for real, like for real, maybe what best Chingondo album of the year Chigomboza. Yeah, the Chigomboza. But when I got the Charlie and the Healers Boys, which won the best African traditional gospel album. When the best okay, I want to know Justice Nema, the best Tshivenda gospel award.
On the gospel, it's a newcomer.
The newcomer?
The newcomer called gospel. So most of people, they don't know him.
But we don't know what Zookwa song apply. Okay, best Tshivenda female artist of the year, Mesima Sakona Madima. Oh guys, Tim
Ulawimba Mangongori anasema klekere. Just that aku nominate you as a winner. Mara ngangeka bodo ndikusko bloro otro babaliriwa.
And the best Tshivenda male artist of the year. I want 99.
Goes to
99.
Yeah, your mama.
Yeah, 99 because I haven't a winner. The winner is here. The winner is Haskan Lee. My 99. Basta wangu Haskan Lee but win. 99.
Yeah, your oma. Yeah.
I've had an interview with Haskan Lee. He's such a chill guy, very chill guy, down to earth.
One love, yeah.
One love, mama. That's the one I didn't know. And the best Tshivenda dance album of the year. Yo. Dumkos. Hey guys, no man. How would you name it? I think I must rewatch the nominees again and just compare this list as nominees. Because best Tshivenda song of the year, Dumkos vote. Somebody print it out.
But I think on this one, Cadence na song of the year. I think Black Pearl Award deserve Ntiyazo.
Yeah, aka you know Zori.
Okay, don't be Ntiyazo.
Ski spell next year. And best Tshivenda artist of the year goes to Haskan Lee.
Yeah man.
And it okay?
The guy.
20,000.
I'm 30.
Oi, mini. 30. Hi, diaza.
Samburu zotangana it kutene na.
Somebody ngoma mkosi una 60,000. Mtu wana zifuna namba. And best Tshivenda producer and engineer of the year goes to V Beats, my boy. That's why I wanted to do this awards.
Yeah, he's good.
That's why I wanted to do this awards on my show, because V Beats, man, you dog. You've been having this gospel artist out, dog. So to V Beats for Hamuzimu by Nakissani. Yo, guy. You know, V Beats, congratulations, you deserve it. Amanda, I hope 930,000. Tower. I paid the and the last award, which was the best Tshivenda hit single of the year. Yeah, Kalenzi. I don't know which song was it though.
But Ndichko bona zichima ne. Discover I don't know uri as a quite deserve.
Kezo obojina
ya yokweya. I don't know uri marabaya why baba kwambori.
Ungaside. So no ezinto kuzibona kanyina ezi award ondizi one ezi list yoni. Ndo screen man chaka ntrinyi kamini. Ka WhatsApp yanga ka rachakile.
Rachakile.
Rachakile was one of the performers there. And I feel like also if he applied or if
Or
I don't know if it is
I know
if he submitted now, I feel like it should have been on the
hip hop.
On the hip hop, unless one of his songs or the songs that's for Mecha and mini, but it should have been on the
what
hip
I've
hop.
seen Kara Chakil
Yeah.
over Mwimbe ane over na song of the year ka different website baba komu awadanga that track
Waibone is a nice song, but now
aikwami radio ara kutodomba nga language aikwami radio so odi abo itori kana something.
But whatever it is, me I want to have interviews with Lachakil. If you sing this, but I'm gonna have an interview with you. I want to hear how you feel about all of this and how you feel about this hip hop.
Abezeni nyamisa if noita muzika oralao but vachikotakarera so
that's fucked up. And one other award that one award for to want to you washu our queen godmother with a deal on award Limpopo Television Community Awards under the the outstanding contribution to the arts. She won an award with entertainment. So guys, that's what we think about the Chimas and the whole awards here there. Oh yeah, there are more awards coming through this year. Another awards Bavenda Mini the Unique Me. We're gonna see if they're gonna be fair or not. If they're not fair, we're gonna
I think Inazakuto is coming.
The fan seat again.
Yeah.
Oh, part 2. I cannot wait. So guys, whatever it is, shout out to the following people. Shout out to Ntumbi.
Ntumbu.
Shout out to Ntumbu. Shout out to Captain SABC Wani. Shout out to my boy Obvi Reactions, doing the most stuff there. And shout out to what? To Nema. Nema yo, Van Vibe Radio.
Nema Mangu.
Pick up. You're doing the most, Barnum. And I think SABC Wani do the most. Ntumbu do the most. SABC 5 do the most. Limpopo Entertainment do the most. And whoever you are, if you are a vendor blogger, guys, let's collaborate and do more work. Shout out to you all, Reactions. I wish I'm gonna be on your channel soon, my boy. So whatever it is, next one Maboko signing out. Please like and subscribe on Limpopo TV and also SABC 4 YouTube. This channel. Bye bye.